We are going to be turning our Google Forms survey results into a slides presentation. First, you're going to open your survey and click on the Edit button, and then click on Responses so that we can see the responses of your survey. Step 1 is to get screenshots of these results. Shift Windows 4 takes a screenshot. You'll highlight the question and the chart. Then you'll open it up in Finder, and you'll see the picture of your chart and question, and title it Question 1. You'll scroll down, take a screenshot of the next question, open it in Finder, and name it Question 2. Continue taking a screenshot of each question, renaming it by double-clicking and calling it Question 3, and move on and do Question 4, Question 5, and Question 6. Step 2, we are going to create our slides. You'll open a new blank slides presentation. Add your title, which should be the topic of your survey, and add your first and last name with capitals. You'll also need to name it up at the top, which is the file name in your Google Drive. And then you'll choose your theme. Once you've chosen your theme, we're going to add a new slide, but one with title only. We'll be inserting our screenshots into the slides and adding a sentence for each of the pictures. This is step 3. You'll drag over question 1 onto slide number 2 and move the picture so that it's in the middle. You'll see a red line. Then you're going to look closely at your results and decide on a sentence that explains the results of that question. Then you'll add another title-only slide, drag over question 2, move question 2 to the middle of the slide with the red line, and then you'll look closely at your results, trying to find some type of sentence that would explain the outcome to your peers. You'll write this sentence, checking for capitals and periods. You'll continue the process for questions 3, 4, 5, and 6, looking at your results, writing your sentence. If you misspell any words, you can right-click on them and fix them. And if your sentence is too long, you can highlight it and change the size of the font. Continue doing this for each of your slides, checking for capitals and periods, any misspellings, and size your font appropriately. For the linear scale question, you're going to want to go back to your survey and remember what a 1 meant and a 5 meant, and write this in your sentence so that everyone can understand the outcome of that slide. For step 4, we're going to add borders to all of our pictures. You'll click on the picture and add a border, making sure to change the color so that it matches the theme. You can change the thickness of the border as well. You'll do this to each of your slides that have the picture. Step 5, adding slides transitions. You're going to click Transition and choose the transition you want for all of your slides to come in and out of the screen. You'll click Apply to all slides so that every slide looks the same. When you click play, you'll be able to see what it looks like. Step 6 is adding text animations. Click on your sentence first and click Add Animation and choose one of the animations that you want for your text to come into the slide. Then you'll want to click After Previous so that you don't have to click each time. It will just happen automatically. Next, click on your screenshot picture, add animation, change to After Previous, then click Play to check it out. You'll continue doing this to each of your slides, clicking on the sentence, making sure that you click on the picture, making sure all of them are After Previous. When you're done, you can click through each of your slides and make sure that there are 2 animations and both say After Previous. Then we'll click on our title slide and make sure we change the title and your name, both being After Previous. Check to make sure the animations are correct. Now, step 7 is a final check of all of your slides. You'll click Present and watch each of the slides go through. You'll be checking for spelling, capitals, periods, checking all of your animations to see if there's any irregularities or something you need to change. Make any final changes, and then your slides are complete. Step 8 is to then turn it into Google Classroom.